kuria thirikari ya kaunti ino ya Machakos ni thiete na mbere na gukora kuruhania uhoro wigi aruti a wira na kumafundithia mathomo maria mangiko magithemana na mitino iria icemanagia na aruti a wira, mitino ya hinahi. Na kuringana na karani wa kaunti ino Dr. Mutua Ndabuki augite arutwo a wira aya aria makoretwo magithomithio kuma honge citiganite cia githirikari makoretwo magithomithio mibango ino hamwe na mathomo maya gutigirira mioyo ya andu ni yahonekio riria ndiria mitino ta ino yakorwo ikihanika.
My name is Dr. Mutua Ndabuki. I'm the County Secretary and Head of Public Service, Machakos County. We stand here very proud of what has been achieved. For the last 1 week, we've had a training on emergency medical dispatchers. And this evening, we have seen the closure of that exercise.
My name is Charles Mulinge. I'm an emergency medical technician. From Monday this week up to date Friday, we have been trained about emergency medical dispatcher course, which has turned to be a very important course in knowing how to handle emergency cases and how to handling mass casualty instances. And this course I believe will be of a great help to residents of Machakos County and abroad in dealing with the emergency cases.
The purpose of this training, by and large, was to secure even further our people and property in case of emergencies.
That we are along the northern corridor, the Mombasa Road, we have so much road accidents. This course has empowered us on how to deal with those cases and how to communicate from dispatch house to the people at the ground.
30 people trained, and these are staff members of the county drawn from various cadres. We even had a medical officer and MO.
To express my heartfelt gratitude to those who have made this course a success, especially our able partner Maltese International and the Machakos County government for giving us this opportunity.
Na gicunji kia abunge